topic is about sex. It's not about. Alright. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Dana B Life YouTube channel. Today we have a very interesting topic. You see how you spoil? Alright, so I have a very interesting topic to talk about, big people stuff. Alright, don't forget to like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about our channel. You can't keep quiet. You can't keep quiet.
Yeah, I know.
Worm in your skin, man.
Mm-hmm.
You have to move.
Yeah, I'm fidgeting.
You're gonna mash up everything right there, so now. Fix your hand good, man.
Oh, my hand for fix.
Put your hand properly. You can't have it. You're gonna knock over the glass them and cause trouble right there, so. In the middle of the process.
My glass, them, what kind of trouble?
Fix up yourself by your talk show. Yeah, there. Alright, you ready?
Long time.
Alright, discuss sex topics now. Alright, have you ever listen? We're gonna ask Hubby some question, guys. Him can ask me. You're gonna ask him some question. It's up to him. If you answer them, if you know answer them, then he not have to answer them. But we are gonna discuss this, okay? Alright.
One thing I make you know.
Yeah.
I have no filter on my mouth.
No, you're not have no filter. Let it out there. Okay. YouTube will know if you do with it. I'm gonna go beep when I edit the video. If you stand out outrageous.
So I say pussy. YouTube will go beep out that.
No. YouTube don't know one name, so. Alright. So have you ever had sex with a woman you don't like?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Have you ever had sex with a woman that you are not attractive to?
It's a little bit too personal.
No, it's not.
I'm not attracted to.
Yeah.
Let me ask you the question first.
Yeah, ask me them two questions then. Oh my God. Let me not agree right there, so.
Are those 3 questions?
No, more than 3.
Okay. Me I gotta ask you the question them though. The first question you did ask me, have you ever have sex with a man you don't like?
Yeah.
So, you have sex with the enemy then?
No.
If you don't like somebody, why if you have sex with them? Oh, I forgot to say, I'm not for stiff up.
Alright. No. Alright, so let me explain. It's not like say me never liked the person. We did like the person. The person hurt my feelings, and then
Hold on.
eventually me never liked the person no more.
But yeah, the person was already together.
Yes.
But I think the question go for that.
Yes, it's the same thing. If you're the person in a relationship and then you get to dislike the person, but if the person force you to try to build back a relationship and you are try to build a relationship and it not work. It's not like you did like, but because you did with the person before, then you try to see if it could have come back and it not come back.
Alright, I understand it that way there.
Yeah.
So
but you can't just, no, like randomly.
For other reason. But you don't really like the person, but you do it for other reason.
No.
Okay.
Let me explain.
Next question. Have you ever had sex with a man that you're not attracted to?
That I'm not attractive to? Not
Yes.
not attractive to an they're not attractive, but
Then attract me. You attract me.
okay, you're right.
Yeah. So you ever go
No,
and
no,
have sex
no,
with a man when
no.
I attract you?
No.
Oh, come here, say. You
But
will
I
have
just
sex
go
with a
sleep.
madman.
Yeah. But I just go sleep with somebody.
Yeah, you'll have sex with a madman. No
Alright.
madman will attract you.
No.
Sexually.
No.
If you did say yes, you know what that mean. How do you view sex?
How do I view sex? You know, this question is really was about man. It wasn't about woman.
Anything where a woman can ask a man can ask a woman too.
No, overall, as a man, how do you view sex? It wasn't about me, because a woman's feelings or intuition is totally different from a man. As a man point of view, I am not a man.
Explain it same way. How you
But to me,
the female
why
way.
me write this question is because me feel like man will sleep with anybody. And that's why the question then when we write was same man.
We have woman who will sleep with anybody too.
And alright, so like man will sleep, man will not fall in love with you. Man won't get into deep in a relationship. Then we just want a woman just to satisfy them needs when them need it. That's how me feel. For just, and that's why I write the question based upon wanted to ask a man the question.
Woman will do it too. Anything at all we man do, a woman will even do worse too.
Well, that is the reason.
But majority, I mean, for the minority, yeah, the woman. Woman will do it too, but maybe minority, majority woman not go do what a man do. But you still have woman who will do what a man do or worse.
I feel like a man will like been with a woman, and then you know him just constantly go there just to satisfy way more, just to get a jerk off.
Just to get a come?
Yes.
Alright, woman will do that too, forget come, and woman will do it too.
I don't
for
think,
money. Something else.
Well, woman we do it for money.
And for come too.
And for come. You're
Forget
right.
to come, because not every man can make a woman come.
You're right, but a woman look for more relationship when a man don't, and that is a woman more look for a relationship. If them be with somebody more time, them looking for a relationship. Well, me I talk for myself.
Okay.
Me I talk for
It's just
myself.
a fact.
Right, you're right. Me
Speak
I talk
for
for myself,
yourself.
because if me for going to be with somebody, me don't want nobody comes to me like a one night stand or them something. Me I look for a relationship, so that's why I wouldn't sleep with anybody. You understand? So, but me know man, cause me used to work in the area where so much man there, and me listen to them talk. But you know, hearing you, me didn't want them question here for you to answer them question here.
Yeah, man.
And now you switch it back on me.
Turn back blow. Yeah,
So it's kind of difficult. But me really write down them question here for you to answer them, you know?
Well, a turn back blow. You
Right.
don't answer them.
So,
When you dig it up, you better dig two.
but the thing is with you
One
now,
for me and one for you.
the thing is in you now, you're shy for going at the depths with it. You know why I mean no nothing. You know what I'm gonna answer certain things and gonna let out your pussy out of your bag. And that, you know.
Them no can lie. If me a pussy in a bag, me can lie. Me not have to.
You never kill like.
Me not have to hide from the question.
Really.
Right?
Me have a supple jacket I wait for you.
Mm-hmm.
So lie.
Oh, you don't know if me lie.
Me we know, you know me figure it out.
Yeah.
And you start getting nervous.
Well, that's why you gonna get tricked. Cause me can't lie without getting nervous.
Really?
Yeah.
Confession, boy, you there.
Mm-hmm.
You there.
Can't lie without getting nervous. You ready for the next question?
Yes.
Are you still want to elaborate?
No, the next question.
Alright. Do you think a man just sleep with a woman because of her body look good and she doesn't have anything else he likes?
You see? That's the thing. That's why I'm saying I write this question for you for answer.
But you still can't answer that.
You can't answer that. you can. I know that me can't answer it.
Answer
But
it.
would you? Cause you know a man mind different. A man think different from woman. Would you sleep with somebody because you see them body look attractive, and really that's just it.
Me, I ask you the question them, so could you please answer? You want me to repeat it?
No, me don't.
This is not a woman, it's a man question, you know, but you can still give your
view on it?
the view on it. Because see, the question said, do you think a man just sleep with a woman because of her body
Right.
look good and she doesn't have anything else he likes?
Right.
Just her body.
Right. Just our body, the
You
looks of
think a
our
man will
body.
do that?
Me don't know if me don't know if a man. Me think a man will do it.
Okay.
Me think a man, but for me only sleep with that guy because of him.
In body?
Yeah, but me know.
Well, you know, woman will do it, but
Me don't know. Cause me don't know woman like that. So me don't know. That's why me I say, you know, enough time woman body look really good, and man we just see a woman looking very nice.
like the first time I see you, and your body catch me. You know?
You see that? You see that? So, are you sleep with me?
Yeah.
In the blink of an eye.
Right, same time, right? That's the same time, same day.
Yeah, there. Oi.
They never see it on my face. Me not talk.
Oi. No, sir. So honestly, that question there is definitely this question on me right down is definitely fair. Yo, the
All the
fair
day
answer.
when we say we could go ahead shot. We take we do the book of stories where we go ahead shot. One guy shot. We go in the water.
So we're going to water where they go happen.
Night beach. We like work, you know.
Where they go happen?
Night beach.
So you're going to night beach.
We eat fish and then eat, you know.
So you think so we
We
don't
go
go
in the
to
water. No,
you?
you never wear a wagwan on my head. A wagwan on my head.
You're there.
You just want to get in the water, but it's smart. You never go in there.
You're there. But that was like 2 years later. That was like 2 years later after me know you. Oh yeah. When you go out each other night, eh?
Yeah, she come in the water. She say, yeah, man, I could go in the water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we have wait for you. Should I say, yeah, man?
Enough time I just sit down and just think about that night. I remember that night. And that night was so amazing. Yeah, you have your tricks up your sleeve, but me on top of your game. You can't stay there.
Not on top. Maybe you just afraid for going in the water in the night.
No, I'm never afraid like that, but you never know what you have up your sleeve still,
Right.
but
Me
but me know say, yeah,
if we get the chance,
no, me know say,
we want it.
yes, me
And
know,
if we get
me
the
that
chance,
weird that,
and we get the chance to cut off it. Cut it.
me that weird.
We get
All right.
first opportunity and we get it cut off.
Alright, my view, so I write this down because, you know, when me there by myself and me I meditate, me think of things. And when me in a one peaceful zone, I so me write down how I feel and something like a topic what I want to talk about. So this was my view. My view on this, he only wants to have sex with you just to satisfy his pleasure, and that's why he didn't have to be in a relationship with you, with a woman. And him just want exactly, me did I explain how me did feel at that time. Me just feel like a man just want to satisfy them pleasure. Them don't really want to be in a relationship. They don't have to be in a relationship with that woman. Them just really want to satisfy how them feel. You know, them pleasure, them once them can they have this urge to have sex with somebody, then we go and get it anywhere they want. That is how I feel towards someone, and that's why I really want to ask you the question. That's how
But the question, any question I ask to me, it can ask your woman too.
yeah, it can.
You can answer them too. So, when you dig a pit, when you write down a question, them, you write down a two-sided question. Question where I go come back at you too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you just dig two pits.
Mm-hmm.
Get it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Dick
dick
too
too
bit?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Because you go long and I want to.
Damn. If a man, alright, when is it that you think, me I gotta ask you that question here, this is the final question. When is it that you feel like me should I be your wife? Like, at what point you feel like me could I be your wife? Me should I be your wife?
You specifically or,
yeah.
or in general?
As a woman, alright, not me, just specifically. I use big word for me.
No, you personally or in general?
In general, when you think a woman could be a wife.
When a man should I think for marry a woman or propose to a woman? Me think say time is important, yes. Like the time when them there. But and when him see certain things, you know, maybe for me, I when me see certain things, and it probably take time for me to see certain things in the woman.
When you say certain things, you mean like
everything where me I expect in a woman.
Your expectation.
My expectation.
Yeah, like.
Alright, first thing first. You know when I go married to, I have to know our way around the kitchen.
Okay.
Yes. And if she have kids, before, I watch how she treat her kids them. In case me and her have kids together. So I can know. Okay. The love depends on the love I say how she treat for her kids them and the love she have for her kids them and how much she put out for her kids them. That is another thing.
Okay.
So it depends on how long me take to see all of them things there and approve all of them things there. Right. Yeah, probably all of them things there gonna take 2-3 years. You know.
Wow. Damn, that's
long. Them things they will take long still. I'm married that you know. It's just like when you buy a house. You know, so that house you're gonna live in you want to spend your life in another rest of your life in another house, so you want the perfect house. You're not gonna get the perfect house still.
Right.
But you want the perfect house.
Okay, so my view when me did that thing say is when a man realize say that woman him can wake up every day and mentally, emotionally, physically relax and comfortable with that person. That is my view on it. Because if it's a trap with somebody, as we shouldn't use the word trap.
Yeah.
If you spend your life with somebody, all of that, yeah. Me think like, you know, you have to realize now, say, alright, this is going to be a person, and you're going to mentally, physically,
the person, you're not feeling for Lego, you're big fat them around the person.
You reach to that level there
where stinking fat them.
You're comfortable.
You know, for Lego, you're stinking fat.
Lego, you belch them.
Belch are the least.
When you can't sit down on your toilet seat and in the bathroom and shower.
Open.
Yeah.
And then we're there. You know it's not a good sight.
I know you tell me.
Even though it's not a good sight.
No, but when you reach to that point...
It's never a good sight if somebody sit down on a toilet seat.
You know, so I don't make it bother me?
I don't bother, but if you just sit and in your head, you know, say I shit the person, I shit. It's not a good sight.
Lord!
Even though if your husband or your wife or your partner or whatever, and you used to know one, it's still not a good sight. Wow. Whereas if you shit ass stink.
Yeah, so we reached that point very quick in our relationship. You know, all of what being said, we reached to that point there very, very early in a marriage relationship. You know, that's why also these are some of the things that women know say you can be my lifelong past partner, because some things when we do with you in the early on in a relationship, I have never done it before.
And dealing with me to owe me make you feel is like, you know, my pride.
Yeah.
You take away your pride.
Yeah, you take away my pride, and me just relax and feel comfortable. I was always the person who curl up. And when me realized that I could have just let go and be myself, and me just free like a bird, and me just have fly, so. Anyways.
So that's why I play head. You can't be like, you know, that much years.
I told you, be yourself, you know? You be yourself, Anyway, guys, we're cutting this video short. Bless up on a nice screen self. I hope you like the video. If you have a topic where you want to talk about, you can always drop it in the comment section. If you follow me on Facebook, that'll be live, or TikTok, that'll be live, YouTube, that'll be live. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Enough love, prosperity, happiness, peace. We are out. Like the video, share the video. Love you guys. Bye. So you don't want to able to know where you're gonna say you can't have this here yourself. You don't want to know where you're gonna say I think
no, I don't want to know nothing. No spontaneous right off of the bat.
Alright, let's start the show, sir.
Yeah, Tabo.
Sex. You should have always in a mood. When you move the camera, for? You have to always in a mood to talk about it. What do you think? Talk about sex.
You don't want to talk about sex, eh?
What do you mean?
Oh, if you have sex?
No. A topic on sex topics.
Why we have sex?
No. Sex topics. Let's talk about it.
If me enjoy sex?
Yeah. Enjoy it? That's not nice. You try to tell me say you fall asleep on it. My belly.